revolutionary drone technology, inspiring creators to reach new heights. Airpeak S1. Groundbreaking flight performance to break the boundaries of aerial imagery. Developed in-house by Sony engineers, the flight control system of Airpeak S1 was designed to achieve maximum flight performance. All key components, from the propellers to the motors to the ESC, are all originally designed by Sony. Dynamic and agile, Airpeak S1 has superior wind resistance to fly in conditions other drones cannot. Designed to adapt to various conditions, Airpeak S1 is equipped with the latest sensor technology to ensure high precision control and stability, even in low-level flights. Built with uniquely designed 5-way stereo cameras and a vision sensing processor, Airpeak S1 can navigate its environment to a high level of accuracy in real time and maintain flight stability, even without the support of the global navigation satellite system. Airpeak S1 is the smallest drone in its class, capable of being equipped with full-frame Alpha series cameras. With its exceptional stability, powerful low-light cameras like the Alpha 7S series or FX3 can capture vivid images in the most difficult lighting conditions. And with high-resolution cameras like the Alpha 7R series, you can achieve extremely detailed aerial photography that offers potential for commercial and industrial usage. The aircraft, remote controller, camera, and gimbal can all be controlled with the Airpeak Flight app. The aircraft and camera settings can be adjusted with the remote controller, so you can make adjustments directly by hand. Additionally, the Airpeak S1's dual operation mode allows for independent control of the aircraft and gimbal. Speed, angle, and other parameters are fully customizable, giving you the ultimate freedom to capture the ideal shot. Automated flight modes allow for dynamic shooting even on solo projects. Mission flight can follow a preset route, while repeat flight can retrace a previous one. Custom-designed flight paths can be executed when using the Airpeak Flight app to control the drone, allowing for unlimited creative options. Break the boundaries of expression and let your creativity soar.